In recent times, Nigeria has been experiencing attacks by pests on its farms, leading to the loss of valuable farm produce. The latest is a scourge of armyworms on cereal plants. Transboundary commodity trade, human migrating movement and climate change have been identified as a core root of the problem. Experts are of the view that the invasion of the pest has become a snag to the government's commitment to diversifying the economy through the agriculture sector.
As long as there's human movement and traffic within the country, across the borders, there's bound to be movement alongside of pests, diseases, and contaminants. Because some of these things are either carried by humans themselves as vectors, or by animals as vectors, or by materials.
It's the global warming that is bringing in all this because of the rise in temperature. It's making conditions conducive for them, and they are multiplying at a very fast rate.
The genetic materials which all living things are made up of have this window of change that they can mutate. But science equally has a solution, and the solution is through biotechnology.
1 moth lays between 250 to 300 eggs in a batch. If one moth, the one that causes either armyworm or tuta absoluta, enters into the country, or you have one moth, January 1st, 2007, by December 31st, 2007, you would have had 2.24 octillion number of moths, just females alone.
According to them, for every laudable evolutionary agricultural discovery in Africa and the globe, Nigeria has either missed out of the pudding completely or takes a cue from behind, a decision many agriculturalists have found appalling and a setback for national development. They say for Nigeria to completely eradicate agricultural bioterrorism, government must think outside the box and apply biotechnology.
If you are talking about an organism that has emerged and is ravaging, our farms or ravaging our crops, through science, you can develop and enable crops upon which they feed to develop resistance.
To really use agriculture to diversify the economy, of course, we have to apply technologies to improving agriculture. Without the technology, there's no way we can make agriculture a business.
In recent years, many countries in Africa have refocused and strengthened their areas of strength to genetically modified crops. While North and South America and Asia are well-known growers of GM crops, few African countries, including Nigeria, lag behind in the latest biotechnological developments. These experts called it a misplace of priority for a country that is clamoring for food security. They want government to refocus its attention and prioritize the commercialization of genetically modified foods.